Lunchbox EVO beauty. Yeah, no lunchbox would ever run over this stuff, guys. Pretty smooth. In a spin like that. Oh yeah, wheelie time. Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC with the beauty Lunchbox EVO. We're gonna take it out for a run. We're gonna bring it on all different types of terrain and see how this new EVO performs. We'll bring you to different spots, so stay tuned. Let's hit it. All right, here's 2S. Oh, she does wheelies. She looks pretty fast. I don't want to flip it. Oh yeah, she's good. She moves real good. All right, now this is really bumpy over here, guys. I'm not gonna ride through that rocky stuff, but let's test it out. The suspension. We all know it's got that new link set up, so let's test it out. On this is pretty bumpy here. I may have made it too fast. I hear some body rub. There's it in the grass. Let's try it in the grass over here. See what she does. Still wants to lift up that front a lot. I'm scared to push her hard because it's got the hard body. And I usually run those Lexan bodies. This is bad terrain. It's all bumpy with rocks. You can see it don't bounce like the old one. Oh! Still doing the wheelies. My 15 turn. Oh, this is rock crawling territory here. I could see how that suspension works over these rocks. Oh, there goes my body. Oh well, we want to see how it works, don't we? See, this is really bad here. So let's see if I just crawl. I got the anti-wear grease and the diff, so it works somewhat better. And you could see that suspension? It's really working. Well, I'm hung up. Guess the anti-wear ain't stiff enough. Oh, there goes the body. Oh well, what are you gonna do? It's gonna get scuffed. That's why I didn't paint it. Now I'm gonna try running through this a little faster. Yeah, no lunchbox would ever run over this stuff, guys. Yeah, I'm hung up. All right, it passed the bumpy test. Definitely better than the original. It still does the wheelies. It works really good in the grass still. Just does them wheelies. Oh, what did I go over there? I flipped over. Someone has a ball. The new Lunchbox EVO don't like baseballs. Let's see the turning radius. It turns good to the right, as you see. Now to the left, it's much larger to circle. I don't know why it don't turn to the left as good. That's what people complain about. bumpy. You don't want to hit that, Steve. I'm almost like afraid to go with it. It feels too fast for what it is with the 15 turn. Like I just don't want it to flip over. Let's see it come up this hill here. See, it's pretty quick. Whoa! Yeah, it's pretty quick. We're gonna go on the ball field now and try it, guys. Let's do some crawling over this rough stuff here. Test the suspension out a little more. Oh yeah. See over here. I'm gonna go over this stuff. It's actually working really good. But we're gonna go to the ball field. Alright guys, so far so good. We're gonna try over here where I run them, and then we're gonna go on the ball field. Alright, see how it does on the rocks. Seems like it's pretty good on here. Pretty smooth. Next we'll go to my other spot that I always usually kill everything on here. Oh, it's just smoking the tires, guys. It looks like it's working really good. Ooh, it's dusty. It's handling this good. I just think it's top heavy with the plastic body. I'm used to my Lunchbox. I don't run the plastic body. I have a Lexan one. So probably if you put one of them on here, it'll... Alright. I think I just have it too fast with this 15 turn motor. Let's go to the ball field, but first we're gonna go on the street and see how fast it looks. I just think I have 15 turn might be too much for this thing. It just screams, you could hear it. It's not too fast, it's just wobbly, like when you turn left and right, the top of the van body just shifts left and right, like maybe the suspension's too soft. I have to put some spacers in it. You could see when I turn, it's like wobbling. Alright, time for the ball field. See what she's made of. Then I'll give you my thoughts on it. Oh yeah, she's roosting good. I guess this is a good speed when you're on off-road like this. Oh, she got some air. Has understeer. That's how the Lunchboxes are. Let's try this damp dirt here, see if we can rip it up, guys. Lunchbox EVO beauty. It don't make the sound of the Lunchbox you're used to. That's what makes it feel weird. You just don't hear that funny gearbox sound. It doesn't sound the same with the hoppiness gone. Let's see if you could do a wheelie on this. Nope, just smoking the tires. At least that anti-wear grease, if you notice when I floor it and put it on the diff gears, both ripping out good, so that's good. Oh, she did a wheelie! A little reverse action there. And a spin like that. Oh yeah, wheelie time with the Evo Beauty. It's fun. It doesn't replace the original, but it's alright. Alright guys, I think we tested it on everything you need to see. And if you want to get one of these, you've seen it in action, you know what it does. I took it on rough rock, grass, dirt, gravel, and dirt with some rocks. I took it on this ball field. You've seen it in action, and that's how this sucker goes. So let me know in the comments what you think of it. It's cool with my BS Slot Cars channel, my other channel on there. It's nice for the slot car channel to have it on the van body. It's cool. Anyhow guys, subscribe, like, leave comments. That helps spread the video out. Without interaction, I'm done. So help Shen RC out and leave a lot of likes and comments. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time with the Lunchbox EVO Beauty.